I gotta get somebody out here to fix this black car so April could drive this black car around.
Heard that.
How long did you end up hooping, Thomas?
I ended up not going actually.
Gonna say he
Oh,
Uh,
never
for real?
went. Told me that he was gonna come pull up on me, never came.
yeah.
Damn, son, it was like that, bro.
I ended up getting so at first I was like I'm gonna do a little bit of market research, and I was gonna see how I'm gonna do research how the market's been moving past couple of weeks and what it's gonna do for the next couple of weeks, and that turned into like a 6 hour fucking chat GBT session.
God damn.
I didn't get done until like 4 in the afternoon. I texted you. I seen what's up. I seen what you were doing. I tried to see what you were doing.
Yeah,
Um,
I didn't fuck with my phone at all yesterday, to be honest.
and then Shayla, she was at her friend's house, swimming and stuff. So I ended up just waiting for her to get home at 5.
Yeah.
Didn't even come help me with my shit like he said. Nothing.
But I didn't get a phone call from you either.
Wait,
Nigga, I
what you
swear.
doing today, Clays?
Nigga, you do you wanna lie again?
What did I?
Do
What? Let
you
me
wanna
see.
lie? Please lie.
Please lie.
Nigga, I called you 3 times. Like four
What?
times actually. Yeah.
We, we
Told
talked at 11:24. I called you back at 11:30, and since then we didn't talk.
bro, you know your words was?
What?
I'm on my way.
I'm gonna call Braden. I'm gonna call Braden and I'm gonna call you back.
No, I don't believe I said that.
Okay.
What you doing today, bro? You finished that headliner?
I got Y coming over later and fuck. I gotta get some oh damn, that's what I forgot. The glue gun. I gotta go back to Mallsville, get the glue gun after school.
You decided what you was putting in the middle, bro?
Just random shit.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
market open. Market open. Market open.
Alright. Trump's on. Trump's talking right now.
Is he?
Trump's talking. I don't know where he's on, but Trump on Iran is going crazy. Okay? Let me tell you. Alright?
It ain't fucking with this fucking market yet. I know that. Because we ain't doing shit.
That's why we had this big flip. Holy shit,
Bro.
he's on. He's talking somewhere right now too. You see financial juice is going crazy. He been talking since 8:41. We'll see where talk leads. We have strong talks. Blah 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 blah. If they carry through, we'll end conflict. Iran would like to make a deal. We would like to deal too. They want to make a deal. We want to make a deal too. We'll probably talk on the phone today. Talk to the top leadership. U.S. talk to top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be great. That'd be great.
Yeah, they could end this shit so we can start printing money for y'all. I fucking love that.
Yeah,
Like, honestly, like, I told Thomas, once this shit's over with, bro, we're gonna start printing. Like, it's gonna be crazy.
bro. It's a whole lot different. Even from the bad price action I was seeing like December, January, bro. This is a whole lot worse.
Like, bro, this shit crazy.
I mean, we'll have our good day here and there. Don't get me wrong.
Bro, I only lost 3 times this month, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm just talking about straight profit. Well, I'm not talking about losing. I haven't lost too much. I'm talking about staying like in one spot though.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I will agree with that. I was gonna say, bro, we've been patient. We've been staying consistent as fuck. Like, we
Yeah.
only had 3 red days this
No,
month.
I would say my PA accounts are pretty much in the same spot they were about a week and a half ago.
I don't see how.
They just are, bro. I mean, I
I
don't.
literally
I've been taking a lot of trades, but the trades I've taken, I've lost probably one, and then the next one I'd have to fucking rally back with that second trade just to bring my shit back. It's been like that for like the last week and a half. I feel like
So what do you? So you're not when you go in with three, you lose. Are you
I
like?
haven't been. That's one of my problems too. I haven't been going in with three. I've been fucking real light. Like you said, I was going in with one a lot, and then you told me to go in with two on my PAs or whatever. But
So you just haven't been staying with consistent sizing.
yeah, yeah.
I was gonna say, bro. I've been fucking same. I've been like,
I
yeah.
think I scared myself, bro. I think I scared myself. I went in with a little heavier, and I'm pretty sure I lost one pretty heavy,
Wait, can you
and
see me
I've been
password
light ever since.
to the Gmail account or the Yahoo account? I mean,
Yeah. What you mean?
the Yahoo account to Daytrade V1, so I can connect it back to OBS.
Would like you need the password or something?
Yeah, I can't remember
I was just gonna
it.
say that's somewhere. Yeah. Hold on.
I
Yeah,
had
what's
it.
the password?
I had it. I had it. I had it wrote down, but I don't have it. I can't find that right now.
I just pray it don't log me out because I just had to log my shit back in because my OBS was fucked up too. Because I'm live streaming right now.
Bro, Thomas,
Wait, are you finna
all
live stream
Yeah, I
on
told you. Yeah.
YouTube or am I?
Oh, I mean, if you want to, that's cool. But I was, yeah. If you want to, that's cool. I'm not.
Now you got that. Let me end my shit. All right, you good? Cause I had it. I already had everything. Yeah. All right, I just ended my shit. You straight? But yeah, that's the password. Do you remember the like thing?
Yeah, I
Okay.
just connected it.
All right, bet. Trump, Trump, Trump. You motherfucker. You just don't know how to shut the fuck up. Can't believe, bro. Look, T. I'm in Gosport, right? Son, I'm jamming. I'm like, let me look at the market. Let me see if we fill that gap. Nigga, I seen that. All I seen was straight blue, and through my liquidity I had marked out. I said, what the fuck went on? Said, well, that everything I said went out the window. Where's everybody at? We're missing. Are we missing somebody?
Yeah, there was a couple people.
good. Peyton's not in
Yeah,
here.
we liked this morning.
Rob's not in here. It don't look like it. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. If we're gonna chop, bro, I gotta go use the bathroom real quick.
I gotta use the bathroom.
I ain't gonna lie though. I wouldn't mind MD data data Monday. That's what I'm gonna start using these Mondays for. Alright, Quez, let's see what the fuck you got
What you
going.
mean? Data Monday.
Like, I literally told myself last night, okay, so don't take my advice like to heart, but my opinion,
Mondays are always bad, huh?
bro, I always lose my, like, if I'm not patient and wait for like a good setup, I fucking lose. So, like, I was really telling myself, like, I really don't see some shit that's just like, lovely, because we're in some bullshit right now. We got that for gap, we got a couple draws on liquidity, but we really don't have nothing on the 5 minute or the 15 minute. And
Yeah,
I seen that last night, so I was like, bro, if we don't sweep out a draw on both indexes and get some clean ass price action tomorrow, I'm really gonna use fucking Monday as like just a data day, and just what that means, just like see how the market opens up on the week, like after the weekend, see how news is affecting this shit. You see what I'm trying to see? Like I just want
yeah,
to see how the market reacts just coming into this week. Data Monday basically is what I literally just came up with that, but it sounds dumb, but it's really like if you think about it, it's pretty smart. Just let the market open up Monday, let it do what it do, and then you come in Tuesday with a fresh mind. You know what I'm saying? Like, but that's not saying don't trade Mondays, because I will trade Mondays. Like if I see like I just told you, if I see a good presented setup, they're both correlating. We both don't have nothing holding us down. I I take it, but that's when I just take it with a light size. But yeah, nah, just little stuff like that is what I
Hey, I seen for tomorrow. I seen we got some news
what they
about
got.
this time tomorrow, 8:45. I think it's like what PMI,
That's gonna move the market a good bit.
S&P Global Services PMI at 8:45 tomorrow. It's high impact. So just keep that in mind for like tomorrow, so we don't like get pre-market and it get fumbled out, because at 8:45 news.
Yeah, nah, we shouldn't even be looking for a trade around that time. That's 15 minutes until market open. If we're looking for a trade around that time, that's a problem. It's a problem. Just skip it, like you say, because we usually try to wait for 30 minutes of price action. And if we give it 30 minutes of
Yeah,
price action, and if we have 10 a.m. news, we usually wait for the 10 a.m. news to come out, and then we get a nice clean trade. But if we don't, then 10 a.m. is usually where price action starts to balance out and slow down and get us a nice clean trade. But sometimes, as you know, we'll come in market open and bam. But
You actually know anything.
just different things.
yeah.
But no, you are correct. I didn't know that. Glad you pointed it out to me.
Oh, but I can't be mad if you don't. Anything?
Down, 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 down.
3 fucking p.m. Canadian users are up into sleep. That should be not work.
Bro, fuck.
I'm going to this fucking. That'll
Bro,
keep
you
you up.
don't even fucking.
It's bad if you take the route.
Got a 1 minute respect it long that bitch.
Looking for some good 5 minute order flow. If we end up coming to take this boss out liquidity at 24,642, and then 5 minute respected gap, I'll probably look to get in. Just because we've bounced off a 15 minute, we bounced off a 15 minute and a 30 minute. The only thing we had this fat ass hourly gap. But if not, then I'm just J cooling it, man. I'm just J cooling it.
On that beat.
I got a decent P&L to request a payout at the end of this week, so I'm trying to keep it. No, but I honestly just can't believe that moved today. That moved this morning. It's crazy to me. 847 points.
Damn, why did I do that?
Who's all in there?
Oh man, Braden, Jared, Grant.
Damn, we're missing Brenton Jacks. Who else? Brenton Jacks.
Robert.
Yo, Rob.
No,
Roboto.
fuck this nigga Walter get his information from? I can't find that shit. Like Walter, what the fuck you got on the inside? Anybody else seen some good profit this month or any progress?
No, I've had to restart a bunch of times. Yeah, we learning though, huh?
Do you have the trades that like journal which ones that did it?
No, actually, I haven't been journaling. Like I said, the bad days is what gets me because I fucking have an issue trying to revenge trade. I just need to work it through myself,
I got you.
Just emotional trading.
10-5. Thomas, how you looking on the month?
I'm looking pretty good. We're probably up just about $6,000 on the month. We're looking pretty nice for a nice payout. If I can make probably an extra 1,500 to 1,000, 1,500, then I'm definitely requesting a 25K. But if not, then I'll just request a 5K and keep my buffer pretty big. But yep. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Last I think Thursday and Friday. That's really my money makers. I made I think 800 on Thursday, 1,500 on Friday.
I don't have my morning class, so I won't be going to class till 3:30.
It was really just it was a slow week. I'll say it was a slow week last week. Monday wasn't good for me. Tuesday wasn't good for me. Break even to $100, and then Thursday and Friday is really helped my team.
Your doctor?
I don't know. That's what I'm about to call her and ask her if she thinks I could just make an appointment at my doctor since no bones are broken.
It's been kind of like a break even point, man. I've just been making trades and losing trades, making the amount, losing the amount. I'm at 50,380. So I mean, I'm not down, but I'm down.
Grant, don't tell me you bought another 50K, bro.
No, it's the same one.
Okay, I'm about to say, but I thought we talked about going into 25Ks.
The fuck am I trying to say? What pattern are you seeing?
I don't know. I mean, it's really just my impulsive trading and waiting for the perfect setup. Then just
Are you journaling?
Not as much as I should be.
Yeah, that's what we talked about. We had a big talk about.
I really got to journal more, man. It's been kind of eating me up.
Yeah, I got thrown off when I went to Oklahoma. I was doing pretty good with my journaling, but I need to get back into my routine.
If I did journal, I could really study better.
Yeah. So we talked about it a lot yesterday, and I can go in detail. I'll go in more detail Wednesday. But we talked about it a solid bit yesterday. The benefits of it, the pros and cons, and how you should be journaling and what mindset you should have. Because bro, I hate journaling, bro. I don't know why, bro. It takes me 5 minutes. I can literally journal my before thoughts and my bias on the market and what I want for the market that day. 5 minutes before pre-market, or it takes me 5 minutes, and 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes max at the end of the trading session. For something I really hate doing it, but it's literally you have to do it to progress. Because
it's pretty beneficial, and I'm learning because I used to journal and then study that shit, and it would help me out. But
that you're not going to improve. You're not going to see where you're going wrong if you're not journaling. Like I should be I should be able to ask. You should be able to ask yourself. But being part of that day trading bond, I should be able to ask you what happened Monday or what happened last Tuesday.
Right.
And you should be able to tell me exactly to the T and what you're doing to get better. But I'll emphasize it more Wednesday when we have that group call, so everybody's in there, and because I don't want to I don't want to happen like it happened yesterday, where we have some really good knowledge is getting said, and we're talking about a lot of things, and only 2 or 3 members are in here when we have 13.
Right.
But the market, we're about 30 minutes in, and the market is fucking shocked.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful. But like I said, if we're kind of slow right now, but like I said, if we can have coming up and taking this swing high and getting a 5-minute respected gap, I have every reason to long into London high.
We in
But
26,
26.
right?
But if we don't end up getting that, then I'm just gonna chill, because like I said, I like my P&L as of right now. There's no reason to force shit today. But if I see a setup presented, of course I'm gonna take it with probably 3 micros just because it's on Monday. How's old John Colombo doing on his account?
I got 707 on my drawdown.
He's up 530
Heard that.
on his 25K.
Oh, so he only has 1,000 to make.
Right.
Yeah, congrats to both of y'all, bro. I just seen that little video on TikTok. That Maddie's little gender reveal thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's all right, man. It's all right.
Braden, you think I'm sure? I'm not trading with the one that's having a kid.
No?
No, I'm trading with his brother.
Oh shit. Well, he's an uncle too, so congrats to both of y'all, Thomas and the uncle.
Thank you, Braden. Thank you.
Congrats to all three.
Supposedly John's a better uncle than me nowadays, so I guess.
Yeah, bro. Maddie don't like you. She says you're funkle ass.
Yeah.
I guess I'll have to change that when the time comes.
Yeah, Uncle Tom ass, huh?
Bro, that's what she likes to call me now. But yeah, supposedly John's the new favorite, and so I'm gonna have to switch up that bias when it comes to
Battle of the uncles in here, bro.
Hey, look, I'm cool with it, bro, because I don't got to deal with the crying and changing diapers. Whenever I'm tired of it, I can just give it back.
That's right.
Yeah. They better watch it. I might end up bringing that thing to Mexico and parting that thing out.
Bring it to some Mexico street races and shit.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Nah, but I can't believe we have no volatility in the market. Like I said earlier, but like I've seen, I don't know how to say it. Like I've seen in the past couple of weeks, every time we have a substantial, even over 100 to 200 point move, so in London session, Asia session, the morning starts off very, very slow. It might end up picking up, but so right now, bro, the market is looking pretty fucked. We had to disrespect a solid bit of bearish order flow for me to look for longs. That's why I was really hoping we would catch a little long. For look for shorts. We had to disrespect a lot of bearish order flow for me to look for shorts. So that's why I was really hoping we'd just take a long setup. We'd go up, take a swing high, make a 5-minute gap, respect the 5-minute gap, get into a long hit for 60 to 120 points. 200 points would be fucking ideal. That'd be great. But what I got going on today, since we don't got shit going on with the market?
Homework.
I ain't got nothing going on today. Might go hit the gym after this.
Heard that. I wish you lived closer, bro. I wish J Rod lived closer.
Yeah.
You said a link.
Badass bike.
I'm trying to sell it. Y'all want it?
Oh, that's funny. I was on the pond to say that we could start going into the gym together or some shit.
Yeah, wait, which one you go to? Club 4?
Now I go to GI Joe's or Planet Fitness.
Oh, okay.
GI Joe is just closer to the house. It's like 5 minutes from the crib, in Moss Bluff, and Planet Fitness is in Lake Charles. I enjoy Planet Fitness. They got a nice little setup there.
I like the Club 4. The Club 4 is not bad. That's where I was going.
Yeah. I think where do you go, Grant? Isn't it what club or
It's Snap Fitness. It's like it's a little private gym.
Hey, I've been there too.
I like that place, bro.
Yeah, I've been at that one.
Most people I've ever seen there at the time I go is like 2.
Yeah.
2 or 3.
Yeah, Grant's a little antisocial.
No, I just don't like people fucking with me while I work out.
There's like max 3 people counting us, bro. There's like this one other dude that's always there.
But yeah,
like, I don't even talk to my friends when I work out.
No, I'll put my headphones in and just do whatever we want.
Yeah, I'll probably end up making me some breakfast in the morning in a minute and hitting up Braden. I don't know. I kind of want to get out the house a little bit today. Might end up going to the park or some shit.
Yeah, I might come with you. Just gotta see what I need to do with April today.
Hey, you can tell Shaylin already. I need you this afternoon.
Yeah, you better tell boss man you're not on schedule today.
Yeah, I don't care what you got going on, Shay. I need you today because I already got Wyatt. I need you. Or I can swap you out for Braden. It don't matter, but he don't have headaches.
Yeah, you ain't gonna have me if it's 3:30 or after, bro.
No, 5.
Oh, you still won't have me. I don't get out of class till 7:30.
What are we doing?
Yeah, what? Yeah.
We put in that headliner or what?
Trust me, bro. I want to be there because I got some free labor to share too.
What you call it? No, I gotta get glue guns. I already got one in Mossville. I gotta go get. I already have one here, so I gotta go buy you one. But we literally just gonna go around the holes and literally just hot glue around the holes. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I want, and then I'm gonna just let y'all loose on all of it. I'm gonna be on one side corner. You gonna be on one corner. Wyatt's gonna be on one corner. And we just gonna go crazy.
That hot glue's not gonna fuck with your wires, huh?
We're not gonna like drown it.
Other than that, if you do it right, I reckon.
Yeah, no, not if you drown it. If you drown it, yes, it will seep through. But if you put like a little puddle and you just, not even a puddle, like a little dab, it's just so the lights don't like if somebody if somebody rolls their hands across my shit, I don't want the light getting pushed through. So that's what it's for.
Right. No, I'm talking about the heat wise. You don't think it's gonna fuck with that plastic?
No. It's fiber optic.
Okay.
No, it's good. It ain't gonna That's
Hell
what
yeah.
people do. People put hot glue gun or because I don't want to put super glue.
Sounds like I want to have a fun little evening.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Be high as fuck, but
I got a bone to pick with Wyatt anyway, so I'm glad he's gonna be there.
We're gonna put on some music. We can talk, jam out, whatever, and get the business. It should maybe take us if we move. It should maybe take us an hour and a half, 2 hours max.
No, I'm really saying like an hour max. If it's literally 3 of us.
Yeah. No, it's gonna be 3.
Yeah, so with 3, I see like an hour.
Well, since we got the assembly line going, bro, I guess I'll bring my speaker wires over there and my exhaust.
Shit, if Braden come, that headliner's going in tonight.
No, no, I ain't gonna take all your work time. We'll finish your shit first, bro.
I told Braden I would help his ass out, but you don't want to answer the damn phone.
No, I do want to answer the phone, bro. I was asleep, bro. The one time I sleep all day, you want to call me, bro.
I called him yesterday, and I called you Friday.
He was sleeping both days.
No, you called me Friday 9 hours after you said you was gonna call me, bro.
Bro, no, I did. I said that was at like 12. I was like, bro, give me a couple hours. I got a couple of things to do, and then
bro, I gave you a couple hours. You didn't call me back till like 3 o'clock. Bro, I was already almost up to the baseball field.
I called you at 3 hours later, and then you didn't even care to answer me.
Bro, I didn't see it till after. But yeah, you're right, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I should have answered you. I didn't see it. If I did see it
a couple times just to make sure that I was green and clear. And I was like, yeah, there's no reason. I called him 4 times. But
Nah, bro. I don't think he did.
how that game ended up going?
Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking shit, bro. These little trash ass motherfuckers. I had to tell my brother about himself. I said, "You're better than that, bro." No, they it was 1
Had to
to
give him a
fucking
big bro
10.
pep talk.
It was 1 to 2. Yeah, dude, that's exactly what I had to do. I was like, "What the fuck was that, bro?"
Like,
I
bro,
said,
you're
"You
not
got
hot
no
for
hop."
weakening your shit out here right now.
I told him, I said, "You ain't got no hop."
Oh, fuck.
Well, that was a South Bow.
Yeah,
Yeah. No, I would have honestly probably went with you.
shit.
I love,
If you want, bro. I mean, I be going to his games all the time. I'll invite you. I didn't know if you'd want to be sitting there or not.
oh yeah, I'll probably end up seeing a couple friends. If
Oh
not,
yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
he plays for South Bow or what?
No, this is Maryville against Southbow.
Oh yeah, that would have been a good game. That would have been.
Yeah, it should have been a great game. Honestly, they weren't doing horrible. They're just their defense fell apart, bro.
Yeah.
And they really don't have. Maryville doesn't have but like 3 pitchers, and they're not the best. My brother pitches. He's good. Like he's accurate as fuck, but he's a little slower.
Yeah.
And they were kind of well. I lie. He only pitched like 4 pitches, but they did get a hit off his ass. He closed, but the other ones, bro, they're just I don't know.
Nah, I'd love to get it. I can fuck with his ass whenever we go play basketball.
Yeah, that's what I do. I got to get him off his game, bro, so he doesn't stomp me in basketball. He's getting too good for my ass.
Yeah, but it's a little shifty.
Yeah. I'm about to start just pushing him on the ground.
Building some character development.
Yeah, you don't want to die for the ball here.
I'm gonna throw you at the ball.
Is he going to prom this year? Or
I don't know. He's a sophomore.
sophomore?
Yeah. It just depends.
I'm gonna wait at my dad's house till my dad gets home.
Getting some clear. What?
What do you think? How many hours do you think you have on the charts?
Bro, probably like upwards of 1,000.
I was just doing like some quick math. Like just since August, since I've been back, I'm already like at almost 400 hours, and that's me not like that's me saying okay, I only looked at the chart 2 hours a day, which I
Yeah.
know good damn well I did more.
Yeah, hey, I know for sure. I know for sure upwards of 1,000. Since literally the day I started, definitely upwards of 1,000. But that's crazy. That's crazy to even think about. Is over upwards of 1,000.
Yeah, that's why I was like, hold on, cause I'm right there. Cause between now and then beforehand, far left, yeah, yeah, that shit's crazy. I want to know what's the minimum amount of hours it can take for somebody to be profitable.
Probably like 400, 500, maybe even if that.
Hey, I got a question. Would
Huh?
you call this a bullish SMT or a bearish SMT?
With
I don't
what?
know which one would you go off of.
Oh, I'd look on a higher time frame and see which one is more valid. What are you seeing?
I'm listening to TJR too. What's his thought on it?
Yeah, you're probably looking at a lower time frame.
Yeah, I was in the 1 minute. But
Oh
Yeah,
that shit.
yeah, off the one.
Stay off that
It's bad. Yeah, I always be trying to trade on a 1
shit.
minute.
Yeah. I was just
It's
like
just
that
like
too.
quick trades though too.
Yeah.
I love person. But yeah, now I really only see it valued on like
You
the
said fuck that 1 minute.
15 hourly.
Quick.
Yeah. I don't go down past the 5 minute. Unless we have a higher time frame S&P, more a higher time frame. I mean, like not a 5 minute S&P, like a 15 minute, 30 minute S&P. But yeah.
Hell yeah.
If I'm wrong, yeah. Yeah. I gotta see at least 5 minute good order flow for me to scale down. I'm like, if you, so what I was actually looking at last night, and I was talking about with Rob that if you would want to, that you could, as soon as we get 5 minute good order flow, like we get a liquidity sweep, a 5 minute inverse for value gap, and then like a 5 minute respective for value gap. Instead of entering off equilibrium with that 5 minute gap, you could enter off rejection, and whenever it's coming out of that 5 minute gap, or
Yeah.
you just go down to a lower time frame, and when we get clear rejection out of that gap, you just go down to a lower time frame to look for an entry point. But I was like, it's not in my strategy. It's not in the education for a reason. Just because I could say how that looks probable. That looks like it could happen. That looks like that could be getting really good execution points. But the 5 minute respecting 5 minute order flow has led me to make over six figures, be very profitable, and have over an 80% win rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to switch it up unless I have to. Unless I truly see a benefit in it.
I think it's illegal to give this much homework, bro. Like they should start arresting teachers for giving this much homework.
Trump says talks that Iran shows major points of agreement. So we might be getting somewhere with them.
I was about to say, do you want to get in on this 5 minute?
5 minute inverse?
5 minute for value gap. Not an inverse.
Where? Where's the 5 minute? Oh, you're
Yeah.
talking
I
about
mean, we created a 5 minute, yeah, but it didn't retrace back into it.
5 minute
No,
gap.
it ain't got time yet. It didn't candle close or make another candle
Yeah,
to see if we.
I went at 10-10.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I said, if we end up showing great bullish order flow and both indexes are correlating, then I'll look for it. Then I'll look for that. But right
It's
now,
just not. It's not worth it because you would probably only be targeted those highs, and it's not really a big. I mean, it is a move. It's a decent
that's
move,
still a
but
fucking. That's still
yeah,
yeah, it's still over a 100 point move. But
yeah.
yeah, it's iffy.
I'll be right back.
But the only reason why I wouldn't is because ES hasn't took that high yet. That NQ is right now.
Yeah,
People want micro.
you gonna go in one?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. 1-1.
Hell, if it would retrace back down into that gap, I would probably enter. It's not looking like it though. Got ES trying to push through it.
Shake 'em up, shake 'em. 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven. Hey, was it good? Alright, that's a good date. Y'all go try the app. See if the app's working for y'all.
All right.
What you mean? You go try just to see if it pops up in general?
It's still
If you
saying
logged in
unavailable.
today, you'd have seen what
I'm gonna
came
bust your ass, Quez.
up.
What was going on, bro? Y'all was having some problems.
All right, now we swept. Hold on. Now this is a trade that I'm skipping, but it's here. Okay, but ES swept a level six. I got marked out 698, and we swept out 24 6 48 on NQ. We're getting strong selling, strong bearish pressure stepping in. If yes, we have this fat ass. What's making me avoid it is we have this fat ass gap on ES that can cause us to chop around, but we can just dump. But if ES inverses this 5 minute gap that it has created, and NQ inverses this 5 minute gap, you're gonna have to get a good ass fucking entry, unless you're just gonna ride this trade out. But you have like about 23 to 25 points of clean price before I would say, take profits logically, if that makes any sense to y'all. But
Yeah.
if
Okay, you're trying to enter on shorts if it
if
comes through
it
these
inverses this
gaps.
gap, we need both
Okay.
legs to inverse these 5 minute gaps.
We're getting a good pressure
You
pushing
really
out.
have to get a good ass entry point
So you
because
don't think we're gonna sweep London highs off of market open?
nah, we didn't sweep two levels. We're holding bearish on both of them. It looks like ES wants to inverse his gaps. The only thing that's making me not do it is because of this big ass news gap. You get what I'm saying? Because we're gonna be trading into
Yeah.
another gap if it's making any sense.
Right.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying. Like that's literally what that's the only thing I have. Besides that, bro, I'm finna go back on mute and fucking listen to music because I really don't have none. But that's the only thing I really see that y'all can take because I'm not taking it. This is like
Yeah,
this
I'm
is
trying to
like
wait and just see.
a C, almost a D setup. Like yes, it's presented. Don't get me wrong. Liquidity sweep on both indexes, both correlating, both holding bearish. Main thing, we have something that can hold us down. It's not even worth it. Just really, we need to get a wave either from this fucking news channel or come down and you feel it because I can't do nothing. I'm not taking nothing that's gonna be trading inside of another gap. That's just not happening. Now if we come up sweep, I got another level marked out at 24 697, and then we have London High. If we come up and sweep them two levels and credit for value gap and then retrace inside there, we could look for a retracement and target higher. But besides that, bro, this inverse is gonna be. It can work out. You might see hella money, but me personally, I'm skipping. But if y'all want to take it, it's like a C, maybe a D. But it's here. We're both correlating. Both of them are inversing the gap. All we need right now, all the thing you would be looking for right now is NQ to inverse its gap with strong pressure, and then you could take. It depends on where your entry at, but my first takeoff point, logically and smart, the smart way of doing it would be 24 561, and then your next target would be 24 453. But you're literally trading inside of the gap at that point. So it's like, yeah. But you could get in this trade and be a part of the whole fill of this gap. So that's another possibility. Like you could literally get in right now and top tick that motherfucker and ride that hoe out all the way until the gap's filled. Because as y'all know, this is a fat ass imbalance that needs to get filled.
What's up, ladies and gents? How y'all doing this day?
What's up? What's up?
Ooh, everything in me want to take it with one micro.
I take it. That's all I'm taking it with.
What y'all looking for?
Okay, so we swap a level at 66.98. We're both holding bearish off of both indexes. And on the way up to sweeping that level, we created a 5 minute gap that we can look to inverse to the like we can look for inverse because we're holding bearish on both indexes below the level. ES already inversed its 5 minute gap. We need NQ to inverse its 5 minute gap. But as you know, Trump came out at 7:05 this morning and created a fat ass imbalance. So we would be trading literally inside of the imbalance. So at any given point, if we collect some orders and want to go back up, we could be a part of that stop loss. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, but that imbalance is over just about 200 points away.
Mm-mm. The fair value gap is the top of it ends at 24,561.
Yeah, top of it, but all the way until 24,346, all those orders have got filled. So I wouldn't worry about it rejecting off anywhere right there. I'd be ready. I'd be looking for it to reject. If I got to a sell, I'd be looking to take full TP somewhere around 24,345. But that's just my personal view on it. That's my personal view. That since we have all that order flow came in,
You got that other level at 434, 435 too. You can take profits at.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Any level before that, I just see it as all those orders already got filled. Looks like we came down that 5 minute gap. So before I left, I said that if we're not forming this 5 minute gap and coming down to respect it, I'm gonna look to get in. But that's exactly what I'm looking for. From a nice red to green flip.
We're rolling back bullish. Now we got a fucking SMT going. Let's see what the fuck is gonna happen now. Let's let this SMT work itself out.
I don't really like that entry point.
What you thinking, Thomas? We're gonna run to those highs?
I don't know yet right now, because it went through that whole 5 minute gap, and I don't like to see that. I'd rather see it for it to go wick inside of that 5 minute gap that it traded through already and go up, not go all the way through it. So for me to look for entry point, we'd have to get an entry point somewhere around 24,597. Like we'd have to wait for it to come down to the second gap and then have an impulse out of it.
Okay.
Because for me to get an entry point, I'd want to enter somewhere around 24,608. So I want price action to go into on both indexes, go into its 5 minute gap, have some strong rejection out of it, and then I would get in whenever it's having a strong rejection out of it and impulsing out of it, and then yes, of course, I'd be targeting London high. But yeah, I mean, it's either one or the other is going to happen. Either we're going to either inverse that gap, and I'm going to get in on an inverse value gap, and then probably a 5 did, or y'all can hop in on the inverse value gap, or we're going to end up continuing up.
Yeah, nah.
But we just formed a doji candle on both indexes, on at least on the 5 minutes. So we kind of don't know what we want to do right now.
Yeah, we're indecisive as fuck. Hey, let me ask you this, T. Does the Prime Minister have anything? Can that affect us?
Wait, what did you say?
Can the U.S. the UK PM Staminer speaks?
Yeah.
Basically, speaking in the UK, dude, can that affect us?
No, I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say so at all. I say it would be affecting like JPY or whatever it is, probably like some currencies.
God damn,
But I don't.
stepping in. I might just take this out with the one micro that could.
looks like we're going into these 5-minute gaps on both indexes. See what we end up doing. Down, 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 down. Hey, hey, what? Why am I saying why am I saying little bitch head? So it looks like we're working inside that 5-minute gap has some pretty strong rejection. But let's get a little bit more confirmation before we end up saying that. I don't think we might end up inversing these 5-minute gaps.
What?
The only thing that's throwing me off is we're making lower highs and at least on the 5-minute.
Come on, stay strong, bitch.
That's what I'm saying.
Thomas, you getting in for a buy?
I'm just looking. I set my bottom is set with one micro because I think I don't want to be wrong. Like, so if I'm looking at an overview, we came into a high time frame imbalance. We filled that bullish imbalance, and as soon as we filled it, we've been making higher highs and higher lows ever since. So, if we end up retracing into this 5-minute gap and coming out of it strong, then I have every reason to get into a buy. But I'm just literally just waiting. If we end up inversing this 5-minute gap, and it's telling me that we obviously want to we want to reverse and start taking some sell side liquidity and target some lows. But I mean, that's, if me looking at the market, we're bullish. If you look on any time frame, we are bullish. We're supposed to bias from bearish to bullish, and we are making higher highs and higher lows. So for me to want to say sales right now, I'd literally be I'll call myself crazy because we don't have no type of confidence saying that we want to go sales. We have an inverse value gap, but we're I mean we just retrace it to that second 5 minute gap there and we just retrace the second 5 minute gap. It looks like we're having some pretty strong buy pressure out of it.
It's just a trend. For Maryland, or Ohio, Maryland.
Selling pressure coming in. Let's see what we can.
Yeah, so I'm gonna look for a buy. I'm gonna look for a buy as of currently. I'm only risking one micro. I'm only really risking like $40 at max. So I'm gonna take this loss. I can end up hopping on the inverse, and if I'm wrong, hopping on the inverse and making my money back in a matter of a couple points. But I mean, at the end of the day, you know, we market open. We came into a 15-minute and 30-minute gap. We rejected pretty nicely off of it. We were making higher highs, higher lows ever since. We reversed a bearish 5 minute gap. Took the like we said, we reversed a bearish 5 minute gap. We took the most recent swing high to have a break of structure up. We made a 5 minute bullish gap, and if we end up respecting this, then we're gonna start targeting London. We're gonna target London high. But if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. My every confluence is there for me to take it. We end up inversing bearish gaps. We had some pretty strong rejection off this second 5 minute gap, which we don't now. Fucking A. But at the end of the day, I'm going to hold this trade until we have candle closure. And shorts don't look trade. Shorts do not look bad.
Goddamn.
Yeah, shorts and stuff don't look bad.
They looking pretty bad.
That's why I always look for candle closure. If it's a 5 minute inverse, I'm always gonna wait for candle closure for me to do anything. Like I said, I'm really only risking $50. So if I'm right about the trade, I'm gonna be cashing in 300. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna be losing $50.
Damn, Quiz, not gonna lie, our entry point was the rejection point.
That motherfucker. Yeah, I'm finna get
Oh yeah,
Yeah, me too.
candle closure.
Yeah, I preset my shit. I didn't even think about it. I just knew. I just set it below that gap. Holy fuck, bro.
Yeah, stop me.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn, y'all took shorts.
Yeah, off that index. Yeah.
Hell no.
That fucker
You're
flipped
supposed to
me.
Hell
that bit.
no.
Holy
Hell no, I didn't
shit.
take short.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Thomas, are
go.
you in this?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
All right,
Let's
bet.
go. Let's go.
We
Bet.
literally inversed that fucking second gap on ES. Had the selling pressure and then flip.
But how many times have we seen for it to
Granted,
inverse one gap just to
granted,
test another one at the
granted,
bottom? I'm
granted,
not trying to dog you down. I'm not trying to dog you down. I'm just
granted.
saying.
I'll let you slide Friday. I'm not letting you slide again.
Dude, you
Bro,
say some dumb shit. I swear to God.
I'm telling you.
I was gonna say the same exact thing. How many times we gotta wait? How many times we seen it go through the first 5 minute gap to go to a second,
And
and
never trade against the trend.
y'all didn't even wait for candle closure.
Yeah, I do agree with that.
When the fuck have we ever waited for candle closure? My past
Every time.
win. I lost
I've
three
always
times this. I lost 3 times this month, gang. I have 3 red days, 4 now, including the day. If we don't catch another trade, and the other green days, we have never waited for candle closure. Never,
I don't even think it's T9,
never.
bro.
Any of my trades.
I'm taking
I've
fucking crazy.
always candle closure. All right,
That's
at least candle closure, and usually candle closure, and then it filling a lower time frame imbalance too.
That's the
But
way you trade, Thomas. You're trying to make my strategy like you. We literally just had this talk yesterday.
last
You,
trades is Sarah. His last mentor. I know exactly how he trades.
all right. You're right. I'm wrong.
I'm not, bro. It's not a right or wrong. I'm literally just saying that me personally, I would wait for candle closure. And if you don't see that as being logically right, as like logically right, then so be it.
Bro, what happened to longs?
No, we just slowed
That bitch died off too.
No, we had a nice impulse up, and that's all they really need. Right now, you should be at least running. If you're not already took partials, you should be at least running everything at break even. Because we've seen 30 points, a little more than 30 points actually.
Bro, ES. 0.25, you motherfucker.
I was hoping it'll come down and try to retest this 5 minute gap once again. Because I'm gonna feel so stupid for not taking partials at $100.
Yeah, I didn't take partials.
No, I didn't take. I went with one micro. I'm thinking about. I can't even take partials.
I
I
guess
just
you
got.
didn't stopped out.
Yeah, I just got out of break even $5.
Ugh.
We might see the sales that Quez wanted now. We might see the sales.
Yeah, might. Good for y'all.
Hold up now. Let me get back to my charts. See what we're looking at.
But we had like a crazy impulse up out of that 5 minute gap. I seen
And
$100 on one micro and was like, all right, might be going up to London high.
Yeah.
Hell no. But it wasn't a loss, so I'm not really tweaking on it. But like I said, if I'm gonna hop in on this 5 minute inverse, I'm gonna have to get candle closure. Yeah, it's not. I don't see it as a late entry point. I see it as a confident entry point. So I have to wait for 5 minute candle closure on this inverse, and then I would want to see a lower time frame respected for value gap, like a 3 minute respected gap at least. If not a 5 minute, at least a 3 minute respected gap. If we don't end up forming a 5 minute yet, then I want to see at least a 3 minute gap respected. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna laugh if we end up. If I would. I'm gonna laugh if I should stop.
yeah, it don't like that shit, bro.
Yeah. ES is not even close to its 5 minute gap compared to NQ. That's crazy though. I can't believe I've seen $100. I mean, that means I've seen at least 80 points or something like it. Yeah, and I seen 50 points off that. I could have took it, but I was actually thinking it was gonna get London High. I thought I was gonna get that impulse up, and then we're just gonna literally just start a good, at least clear direction to move to London High. But nah, not today, Buster.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, I am still in this.
On the long.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, at the end of the day, if we wanted to come down and retest that 5 minute gap, we could do that to fill more buy orders to pitch up. But I already seen 50 points, and so I seen every reason to put it at break even. Just so
Right.
I'm me personally, I didn't want a green trade turning red, but
Right.
it's working out in your fucking favor right now. So I
Yeah.
mean, if we can force at some lower time frame bullish order flow, then we're cooling. Like, if we can form some lower time frame bullish order flow, bro, I would tell you to literally stay in that trade, fucking hold that bitch as long as possible.
We are
But
about
if
it. We are about an inverse of 1 minute, but it's
yeah,
also
I see that too. But
I think
also,
it's a break. I think it's a breaker model too, though. So
but I was like, at the end of the day, if you end up seeing it, us starting to respect bearish order flow, at least on a lower time frame, look to put everything at break even.
right. Yeah, I think I might just.
I mean, it's not if you got in, I got in at 24,590. What was that? 24,592 or something like that.
I
So
got in a 598.
yeah. So at the end of the day, just don't let this green trade turn red. But I think that Raptors a pretty strong rejection off that point. ES does not look like it wants to get lower. And the only thing dragging us down right now is NQ. As soon as we start as soon as we start forming some lower time frame bullish order flow, and we can start rejecting off some imbalances on the 1 minute, then we'll start a nice move. But
All right, I'm moving my shit in profit.
yeah, we're kind of getting a little chop. Yeah, it looks like you're end up respecting that 1 minute gap. Yeah, I put it at break even.
Yeah.
Just so we can hop.
I got stopped out.
Yeah, I was like, just in case if we want to hop in on those embers, we can. Like I got a break even trade on it. I got a plus $5. How's the weather today?
It's not
Good
bad.
as fuck.
Let me see. 71 degrees, high of 80. Yeah, I don't see it, but yeah, that seems pretty good. UV is shit though. Oh, it's gonna be 8 at 12 o'clock. It's not bad. Ain't too bad, man. Ain't too bad. Yeah, I feel like going to
This just knocked the fucking pop out. Ain't things with his own gun.
Excellent. Bro, if you don't follow us on Instagram, bro, y'all should. I follow this dude. I'll say he has some pretty good knowledge on the market.
Who is it?
I just sent him in the group chat. Then like Jack trades. He'd be banging out.
I think I've heard of him.
Yeah, he'd be banging out some crazy trades. So I was also talking about the since we're not until I say injury point, I'll tell you. But until then, I'm gonna talk about this dude. So I was talking to Rob last night, and we were back testing when everybody got off call. And I was like, bro, one thing I kind of want to implement my strategy and just like run it through like a strategy bot tester and see like what the win percentage, like everything like that, is the hour PO3, which is so the I think it's the daily, the full hour, and the 1 hour. They all close at the same time at it's 9 a.m. for us, 10 a.m. on the charts. So I was like, and so the PO3 is whenever that 4 hour closes at 10 a.m. You look at for a high time frame imbalance, wait for that high time frame imbalance to get filled, and then you look for a lower time frame respected for value gap. And that's what he jumps in on. And but he'd be banging out some like 400 point and and the one thing I like about Jack trades, he trades prop firm accounts. So it's not like you're watching a trader that trades live capital. He trades prop firm accounts. And I feel like that's really what you need to be watching, especially when you're trading prop firms. And he'd be banging out some 400 point plays, like some like 45 grand fucking play. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah. I was thinking about implementing the high time. I think it's called the hourly power of three into my strategy. I'm gonna back test it and everything before I use it on live call. But I was gonna back test it, go through a strategy bot tester, and see like the win percentage and everything like that. But yeah, I'll definitely go follow Jack Trades on Instagram. I sent the video in the group chat. But yeah, I'll definitely go follow him and just like bro, watch a couple of his videos. But he really put some free sauce.
Yeah, y'all go check it out.
Bro, fuck me. Keep on rejecting on this level. And he looks honestly like he wants to go lower, but ES is like, hell no, not today.
Still holding.
Yeah, listen, I think I probably could have held that trade. Held that trade at stop loss because my stop loss was $50, and it got nowhere near my stop loss. I'd still be floating profit right now. I'd probably be just about 15, 20 points up. But I'd rather keep it with the same risk management. See at least 30 to 60 points. So 1-to-1 to a 2-to-1. Put everything at break even. If you're not taking partials, but at least everything at break even. So you don't see a green trade turn red.
Yeah. Well, I got in with one micro, so.
Bro, when they do Peyton be?
I don't. Where does he be?
Yeah, like why ain't he been on the call?
Oh yeah, bro. I guess I don't know. Rue's been fucking about. That's all that I can say. That's why I'm trying to text him, like, bro. Why aren't you been on the calls? Because I remember literally a month ago, bro. He used to stay in calls like fucking Braden. Like whenever everybody gets off call, usually Braden's the last one on the call, and he stays for like an hour, 2 hours while I'm doing like whatever I'm doing. That's how Peyton used to be. Peyton used to stay in calls from 8:30 to 12 p.m. or later than that. Usually, I mean, Grant fucking knows. We stayed in a call literally for 8 hours straight one day.
Yeah, playing Minecraft.
And no, whenever we.
Oh, you're talking about you and Peyton?
Yeah, me, Peyton, and you.
Yeah.
Whenever we was trying to catch a trade during New York PM session, and yeah, so he used to do that all the time, and he used to always tell me that he wants to become the best trader he can be. Like he wants to pass. He's already passed evals. Like he's really looking to get a payout, and like he has like the fundamentals of the market, but he's really needs to lock in and stay consistent. And so that's literally what I'm trying to text you, bro. That's why I'm trying to text him. Like, bro, what happened is locking in and staying consistent. I understand if you're doing something like to make ends meet. Make sure you can end up doing this day trading shit. But if you're just going out like we all been seeing them do, go out and having fun, you're really gonna regret.
That's waste of time.
Yeah, you're gonna regret it at the end of the day.
I know he started focusing a lot more on that work he had going on in the mornings, anyways.
Yeah, detailing shit.
Yeah. Bro, I hate when I'm trying to cheat, bro, and I can't get a fucking clear answer from Google.
hate to hear it. Hope whatever you're doing is worth it.
Oh shit, I found it. What a piece.
Golly. Yes is running. Kind of.
Wait, what the fuck?
Okay. Might be forming a 5-minute SMT.
Oh no, we're fucking pushing right now.
Oh, I know.
Are we going up?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was talking. Yeah, that's exactly what I was talking about, Grant. That I was like, at the end of the day, the only thing that could really like help you out is if we end up forming some lower time frame bullish order flow for it to respect, and that's exactly what we did. I don't know if you're still in that trade.
No, I'm not.
Jared. Jared, you still in the trade?
Yeah, I got my TP at the highs right there, the first New York highs.
Yeah. Well, are you in 1 micro or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, I'll honestly put everything at break even, and just put your full TP at London high, and put your break even point like plus like $10, $20, because I truly believe it's going up to London high.
All right, I got it.
London high at 24,760.
Dude, that's gonna be like $300 on 1 micro.
Yeah, that's why I said put your full TV at London high, because I think I honestly do think we're going to it, and if we do, that's a $300 Monday on 1 micro.
Hell yeah!
And I mean, at the end of the day, you can just trail the price action, put it below. I hope you manage to trade all the way through, but I'll just put it below. Like 20 right now I'd have it like 24.6. I don't know your entry point, but I'll have it like 24.618. Because
Yeah, no, that's where I'm at. I got in a weird level. I got in at like 620.
620.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I literally just hold it, and you can put everything at break even, because you can put everything at like plus fucking 50 cents to $1 if you want. But we still have we got to come down and fill some imbalances, and we keep on respecting bullish order flow. We got 1 minute gaps, we got 2 minute gaps. So if we can end up coming up and taking this most recent swing high, that'd be perfect. Looks like we're end up respecting this 1 minute gap right now. So that's great to see. That's great.
Floating $100 right now.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 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 We just need to keep on pushing. As soon as we take this most recent buy side liquidity, you can move your stop loss up a little bit. So at the end of the day, you'd be taking profit. What we're finna take it. Yeah, it's at 24.689, I believe. Yeah, 690 just about.
Come on,
the one that throw me off is that with that big huge manipulation leg, it looks like we're gonna form a fat 5 minute gap. And but the one thing really good about that is your entry point is right below that huge manipulation leg up.
Yeah.
So
as long as we hold above it, or hold inside that gap.
As long as we hold above it,
watch it wick past it and get me out for break even.
Yeah, that would fucking
suck, dude. Oh,
as long as we hold this 1 minute gap right here, on NQ NES, bro, we're literally J cooling it. We're kind of J cooling it.
I kind of want to move my stop loss down just a little bit, just in case.
I was just saying, bro, literally manage the trade exactly how you want to.
Yeah, because I don't want to get wicked out just for it to keep going up.
Yeah, manage the trade exactly how you want.
What level's that 1 minute gap?
Oh, we're making those equal highs too.
That 1 minute gap is it's from 24.650 to 24.670.
All right, that's what we're bouncing off of right now.
Yeah,
that's what we're kind of bouncing off of. We're going inside of it, going up, going inside of it, going up. So I'm hoping we get a strong manipulation leg out of it. We take the most of it swing high, and we start heading toward London high. And then you can take profits as you see. Whatever profits you like, you can take. I'm hoping we don't just come down to be a bitch.
Yeah, I'd like at least one clear direction today.
Yeah. Damn. But that would fucking blow. Damn. Yeah, just had that in mind that it looks like we are forming a 5-minute and 15-minute bearish SMG. If we don't, I mean, it's not validated right now. Only would validate it if we end up, reversing. But with ES taking that most recent swing high and NQ not taking it yet, that's what we're looking at. Yeah, I'd definitely put your stop loss at like 623 or like 625, somewhere around that range. Just because I would hate for your green trade to turn red. But we're having a nice little impulse out of this 1 minute gap. We need to keep it up.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, Brad, you in?
Yep.
Yeah, definitely. I hear it in your heart.
I mean, I'm floating about $100, but
Hell yeah. How much you go in with? 2, 3,
5.
5? Damn. Hell yeah.
I mean, it's playing out.
Hey, yeah, we're going. It looks like we're trying to push through.
Yeah, we want that red to green flip, bro.
I need to just keep on playing.
And it needs to play with something else other than my heartstrings. That's what it needs to do.
Mm.
Reap the rewards.
I'm gonna up about 20 points. I'm trying to wait till it hits my 1-to-1 before I trim.
Yeah, I know. Old J Rod is Jay cooling it right now, but he's up like 60 points.
Yeah.
It's probably up about
Yeah. Floating a little 120. Yeah.
about 120. That's how good my math is getting with the market. That's funny. Yeah, like I said, if we can keep this nice green and a nice impulse out of these gas, as soon as we take this most recent swing high, that SMT will be invalidated, and we can look to go up and take London high. It might take some time, just because it might take some time just because we end up having that huge push up and we don't have that much money in the market. Might end up taking all day, but I can almost guarantee this. If you end up putting your full TP at London high and running everything at where you see fit, like plus $20, plus $50, plus $100, whatever you want, then I do think we're going up to the 24,763 range. I know we are like fucking 100 points away from it, but don't mind that. Just believe.
Yeah, I took some profits.
Yeah, we bought micros, but you fucking should have.
Yeah, I took 3 off. I'm gonna float these 2, see what we do. Back break even off that short play. There we go. We did form that 5 minute too. Pretty sure, I don't know if he said that or not, but I'm gonna shit keep writing. Someone talk.
Thomas is gay. Say what?
Well,
Damn, I cannot hear shit. Oh, here we go.
It looks like we're coming down to this 5-minute gap. If I honestly take a guess, looks like
yeah,
we're coming.
just to reject off of it, hopefully.
And it looks like we are at the end of the day.
The good thing is, the top of that gap's down near my entry point, I think. Oh, fuck. What the fuck did I just do?
I almost want to intro this 5-minute gap, but not. I'm just gonna. I mean, no, I'm just gonna take a chill pill. I have every confidence there, low key. 3 points. Oh, the ratio looks really good. Still.
Oh, shit.
So weird, bro.
We started dipping into that 5 minute.
Speaking, Price believed that the police officer could also do it, so he was unwilling to lower the victim. Officer Timothy directly walked to the side of the driver's seat.
Yeah, if I'm at both indexes. Yeah, it's a nice strong injection out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, my entry is like right at the top of that shit too, so I'm not even floating negative right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to hop in at equilibrium with a 5-minute gap. I might not ever get filled, but if I do, then that'd be a W.
Bro, just shoot me to London High, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, just do that.
Yeah, I probably won't get filled. Because ES already tapped into that motherfucker.
Yeah, I seen that. Yeah, I seen that. It happens to the best of us, man. This is the last week of March. Yeah, next week is the last week of March. This is the last full week of March. Next week only on Tuesday.
Bro, anybody know any mobile mechanics?
Let me think. I can definitely find you one. I can most definitely find you one.
Yeah, keep your little ear out, bro.
I got a buddy that he used to be a mechanic, and he should know a mobile mechanic or two.
Yeah,
But
just let me know something, bro. I need to get this black car fixed.
yeah. Grant's a mechanic on his free time.
Well, shame on Grant, because I've been telling him about my black car problems, and he still ain't came over here.
Shame on Grant. So,
I ain't no mechanic. I know how to change.
bro, I heard you were a certified mechanic.
Yeah, no, I got the other brother. That's Cade. I just fixed some shit on my truck.
I heard you do it. I heard you know how to do like some engine swaps, take out a transmission, put a new one in.
He's really
Oh, that's light. That's light shit. That's light shit.
Fix the radiator.
Yeah, that's all light.
I
Rotate.
fixed the radiator now. That's
Yeah,
bad.
I can dissect the transmission with my eyes closed and shit.
Yeah, I heard you can pick up the front end and just rotate all four tires like that. But
Yeah, that's it.
that's what I heard.
Did we get to your equilibrium, Tom?
Bro, we did.
Yeah, I just touched it.
What the hell, bro? That's why. Yeah, I just got filled, but for a second there I wasn't getting filled. We'll see how we end up playing out.
Yeah, I'm finna get out. That's what I'm finna do.
Yeah, I'm getting kind of nervous over here.
I like my entry point. At the end of the day, my entry point is 24,635. You saying equilibrium? Yeah. The only thing I don't like is how ES is almost all the way through its 5.
Oh, get the fuck out of my face.
But we're drinking, man. I'm going to bang this thing out.
No.
It's gonna play out.
I'm risking a little heavier than I usually am risking.
What you went in with?
5 micros.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. 5 micros.
I just add some more. I might add like 2 right here.
Nah, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Nah, minimize your losses 100%. The only reason I'm risking 5 micros is because I have 5 PAs and they all have over a $6,000 balance. So I have a I have a $4,000 for my drawdown per se, and so I can risk $305, and then I can go back to my regular 3 micro risk management and just be cooling. If I'm correct about the market, like like I banned a good bit today, and if we truly want to go to London High, then I risk $305 for 1,200, and so that's what I'm really hoping we end up doing. But
yeah,
bro, if I top tick the reversal, bro, I'd be pissed.
Sorry, that's what I did earlier. So
we just inversed a 5-minute gap on ES, but on NQ we're still having some pretty strong pressure. Like we keep on going in, rejecting.
We got another 5-minute under that, huh? Or is that one filled? I think that one's filled.
Yeah. So if we end up actually, I'm gonna go with my regular risk management. So I usually risk $180, and we're down 200. So.
Oh, we just got stopped out. Shit.
Yeah, me too.
Damn. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Great. So with that said, I'm looking on a higher time frame. It looks like I don't know what we're rejecting off of, to be purely honest with you.
Okay. Trade sinker, are you gonna turn my fucking trade off? Okay, well don't.
So I kind of got out with my regular risk management.
Trade sinker trying to fuck me right now.
I hate
I
this
hit
game.
flatten on. This is loading.
Yeah, me and trade sinkers has with fist.
Okay, we're good. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I seen somebody else post about trade sinker the other day about them not flattening their positions.
Yeah, it was a little iffy.
It's definitely done that to me a couple of times.
I'm done trading today.
Yeah, I don't want to trade no more.
Yeah.
I'll take my $8 loss.
Yeah, I took a $180 loss. Let's see if I can make that shit back real quick, or if I'm leaving it stop. Am I gonna stop that once again? I was like, bro, what the hell?
Let's say we're getting a strong rejection back up though.
So no way we all got stopped out just for it to push back.
Hey,
up.
that little fair value gap I thought was filled. That's what it hit, bro. And I mean, I don't know if that's why it rejected, but it definitely touched that and went back up.
Yeah. Either I'm gonna take this loss right here to the dome, and I'll be down closer to 300 for the day, or yeah, a little over 300 for the day, or I'm gonna make my little $180 back that I lost, and I'll be break even for the day.
Have y'all seen that shit, like the algorithm change or something?
Algorithm change.
It's by this his name's Inner Circle Trader.
Send it in the group chat, man.
Yeah.
Put us on that sauce, bro.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of traders been posting about it.
Bro, you really gotta be lying. Bro, we reject off that 5-minute gap. That's crazy. But where this, bro? What?
Yeah, that's that bullshit.
That's
It's that
literally
bullshit.
that's exactly the prime thing I was talking about. It's going all the way through bullish fair value gap, showing that okay, we might want to go bearish, and then literally so we'd go all the way through the 5-minute gap and then go right back up just like to go bullish. Like, bro, what kind of bullshit is that? But no, that's actually pretty wicked, man.
No, it was
like, not gonna lie, it gave me a nice little escape because I didn't let it hit my stop loss. I kind of just got out at break even just now.
They got all sorts of videos about this shit.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Oh.
Okay, Mark's gonna crush Pete head with his bicep.
I just sent it.
Yeah, you know who the Inner Circle Trader is?
Who?
ICT.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's who made the 2022 or 2021 model or something like that.
Yeah. He made the silver bullet. He made the silver bullet model. Like the 2022 ICT 20 like ICT like that's him.
That's who made our indicator.
Huh?
That's who made our indicator.
No, that's like ICT is like he's like if you're thinking of it, like he's bigger than TJR. Like he's like got decades of experience, been trading the market for fucking, probably 20, 30 years now, and he's one of the best. Like actually one of the best.
Yeah.
He doesn't have. I'm almost sure he doesn't have a mentorship. Like doesn't have anything like that. He just
he's just a ghost.
Yeah, that's like the best way to explain it. Every concept and every confluence that you use and every other trader uses, he made that up. It's hard to explain. You can do like a documentary on ICT, and he's really the man. That he's really that bitch. Chris, bro, where you been at? You've been silent for about an hour and a half now.
That boy been banging out trades over there.
Yeah, Buddy's been making some scalp trades. He's gonna post his P&L.
Fucking confused as shit on what the fuck is going on.
It's just a choppy ass market.
Yeah. Just like when we're like, bro, you gotta widen your stop loss because of these huge ass wicks, bro. That's exactly what we're experiencing right now.
Yeah, it's complete bullshit. Every time we fucking, I don't know. Yeah, it's just confusing the fuck out of me because now I'm getting I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. We had so I was looking for sales low key for a minute just because we had a 5-minute inverse on ES and also on NQ, bro. We really pushed that 5-minute gap. It looks like we were going to inverse it too. And it looks like we're going to get candle closure too. But yeah, we got candle closure on ES showing that we wanted to go down, and then we just rejected straight back up. And now we're going down after I got wicked out. But hell yeah. Not
Where's
really.
you shorting that bit?
Bro, you know it.
You
You
know.
already.
I've been in this whole son. I got in at 616, son. I was literally fucking like 3 points
6
away
is
from
great.
getting wicked out, nigga. I've been in this trade the whole entire fucking time.
We at your entry point down here right now. It's gonna reject back off of this gap, bro.
Bro, I got it at 6.
Short
I got
that
it
bit.
at 631, and we rejected up to 660 to wake me out, just for this to play out.
Bro, like,
Which is
damn, bro. Damn,
yeah.
I
If I
can't
look for,
manage my trade either.
I would look for it's like 6. I look for like literally 630 for an entry point. That's gonna be a 1 minute bearish gap.
Yeah, I might hop in on that 1 minute with 1 micro.
Also,
I don't know. It's gone. It's leaving it.
yeah. Also, the only reason I say it is just because for me, I love candle closure on the adversarial provided guys, and then I love it filling a lower time frame imbalance, just showing that we want to respect order flow, and then we want to continue it. We want to confirm it and then continue it.
I'm about to hop off. I ain't taking no more trades today.
Yeah,
Heard that.
it's 10:30. It is 10:30. I'm
got
done.
shit I gotta do.
Oh, fuck.
But all right, y'all have a good day.
You too,
All
bro.
right,
Take it
later,
easy.
bro.
Later,
Later.
dick in the mouth. That's kind of what we expected today. Just choppy ass price action. I hope nobody really took a like talking about today. But if they did, hopefully we can always come back tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is better.
For real.
Yeah. All right, then, y'all.
What's your P&L looking like, Jared, for today?
I lost $8.
All right, bet. Not good. I mean, that's not bad. Not good. That's not bad. Not bad whatsoever. That's literally like you already know. That's literally like a fucking 1 micro play.
Yeah.
All right, man. We'll catch you later. I guess if you have any questions or anything, just hit up the group chat. Call my phone. Call Day Trade View on business phone. We got
All
you.
right. 10-4. I'm gonna holler at y'all. All right.
All right, what's up, fucking cocksuckers?
Shit.
The sky.
I guess these fucking dogs want to go outside. They want to leave me alone.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring Remy outside.
I done brought these bitches outside 3 times. Oh, brother. Yeah, Quiz, this is this is kind of what I meant by like the last week and a half. Like, I took that one trade, it got down, and I took this second trade, brought myself back, and I mean I'm still down like $45, but yeah, I mean it brought it back from the little drawdown I was in.
Yeah.
You still sitting in that?
Hell yeah, I'm still sitting in this shit, man.
Hell yeah.
You seem bummed, bro. Don't be bummed.
Because I kind of knew better. But at the same time, the setup was there. What fucked me on the first trade was that second Ferrari guy, bro. We was literally 0.25 away from inversing that bitch.
Oh,
This one, we don't have nothing. Like, yes, we have this fucking new week opening gap, but like, we gotta fill it.
right.
What's your thoughts on the crash, my boy?
I'm about to get on.
Son of a bitch, motherfucking slut, bro.
What'd you do? Stub your toe?
Oh, bro, I forgot, bro. I was doing the transition pieces this weekend, and I had a fucking 50-pound weight right next to the door, bro. I just think I broke my fucking foot.
You was doing what this weekend?
I was doing the transition pieces from like the carpet to the hardwood floor.
Oh,
The fucking cats. I put the transition piece down, and the cats will get trapped in the room, or they'll just get pissed off that they're in the room. Like the one to come in the room, then they get pissed off they're in the room. Bro, it's fucking retarded. And they'll start clawing, and they'll tear up all the carpet around the transition piece. So I gotta fucking
you
have.
talking about the threshold on the door?
Yeah, it's this
Okay.
fucking this little bitch right here.
Yeah, it's the threshold.
Transition piece, baby.
Yeah, I
Just
got. I kind of had an idea what you're talking about. I just wasn't sure.
just did it fucking probably like yesterday. But no, the cats will tear up the carpet around it, so it looks like this.
Yeah.
It's like this, and then I gotta fucking call Shailen's dad 'cause I don't have nothing like that. And then he gets his little stretcher over here, and he stretches the carpet out so I can put the transition piece back so it looks normal,
Right.
not all fucking rinky dink. It looks like we don't take care of shit. But no, bro, I'm literally gonna if them cats do that again, bro, I'm gonna fucking kill him because I've had Mr. Shane, Shailen's dad come over fucking 6 times,
Bro, get him
and
a cat tree, bro.
bro, they have fucking 2 of them.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Mine doesn't use it neither. Mine comes
Oh.
outside and scratches on shit.
I saw that, bro. How they have 2 of them, and then but it just pisses me off because Shaylin lets them cats do whatever the fuck they put. Like they'll tear up anything and everything. And as soon as I try to discipline them, she's like, "You can't discipline them." I'm like, "Bro, I can. Trust me."
Well, I whoop their ass just like I whoop my
Yeah,
dog's ass.
I
I'm not
said,
gonna
trust me,
lie.
they'll get right sooner than later. They'll realize that the reason why I'm fucking beating their ass is because they're doing something wrong. I don't even beat their ass. There's a water bottle around here. Or a
No, I
spray
tried
bottle.
that bullshit. That shit don't work, bro.
Yeah,
I mean,
I just
it'll
spray
work
bottle.
in the moment. It works like when you spray them, they take off. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah,
But I don't think like discipline wise, like it's teaching them anything.
yeah. Well, I started. I kept on using that. But fucking yeah, like you said, I don't think it's fucking.
60 to 80 points, take that off, and then just trail the fuck out of it, because that's exactly what I did today. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, you'd have made it back way more. But I basically wrote, damn, holy shit, bro. I wrote. Q. Where did I write it out to? Yeah. No. I see it. I took the first. I got in at 24, 6, 16, 6, 6, 16. So I got in way up here. Damn. T, you top ticked that shit, though. I ain't gonna cap. Alright, so I got in way up there. I took my first profits around 80 points. So yeah, right around 85 points is where I took my first profit. And then I rode that bitch out into the. Yeah. What the fuck? That's crazy. Let me log out of my paper account and log into my real account, so I can see my execution points. On your paper account? Oh, I thought you were talking about. Yeah, I rode my first one to 80 points and then took off and then rode my second one out for like an extra 15, 20 points. And then I took full profits. Yeah, because that one at, let's see, I'm trying to do some quick math real quick. At 360 ticks, 320 ticks. Yeah, that's why I made most of my money. That's why. Okay, so yeah. So I literally made 100. That's what made me so much money back. Okay, so that's what we have to do. Okay, so that makes sense. So yeah, T, when I trimmed my first one, I was down 200. I took 160 off at 80 points, guaranteed, and then I made 200. So I was down $40, and then I made an extra. Let's see. Cause I was down 180. It was like 185, 160, $25, and then I'm up 108. So I was negative 25, and I'm up 108. I made $83 on my last trade, on my last micro. So what is that, like 40 points? 260. Yeah, one micro. Yeah, and then I rode that extra micro. I rode my last micro out for like 40 points. Yeah. Damn. So I really managed that trade really well. Yeah. Cause I caught 320 with the first micro, and then an extra 160 with my last micro. So So I caught a 320 ticks my first micro, and then an extra 160 ticks with my second micro. I can't be mad. I'm fucking running though. I ain't gonna lie though, I'm glad we filling the fuck out this. Oh, I'm a dumbass. Oh, I'm a fucking dumbass. Nigga, we're literally gonna fucking go down, bro. We're all we doing is filling all these fucking orders right here that from that news scandal. That's it. Shut the fuck up. That's dumb. That's just dumb on my end. Oh, so you got jokes. Well, I only lost one Monday this month. Yeah. Did you end green, Braden, or what you ended with? Yeah. Gotcha. Well, at least we ain't fucking just blowing them. I don't understand how Jared and them keep blowing accounts like that. And by the way, that trade I just took was nothing different. The only thing that was fucking different is ES had room to go, bro. That's literally it, bro. I hate fucking like if we could trade without ES, I would love that. I did the same shit last Monday too, Thomas. Called out a losing trade, then came back around, called out a fucking winning trade. Like this shit is crazy. Like I'm literally looking at my execution points, T, and ES, and how I literally got faked out, and then it came back and just like literally it came up, slipped a level. I got faked out. It created more structure. Basically, grabbed some more orders. Came back bearish on me, and then we finally dumped. Like, this shit's wild. But we only $200 away from getting ourselves finally out of fucking drawdown. You notice that hurt when a nigga only lose like 3 times a month and he still can't request no fucking payout. That's that fucking hurt. 3 red days, bro. Shit's crazy. And our niggas still can't get a payout? That's fucking diabolical. But I'm just bringing myself back from really. Holy shit, it's 11. I'm bringing myself back from February. Yeah. Now school gonna feel a little bit extra better. And we made some money today, T. Brenton paid. I already told you that. Bro, I swear. He is one that I will say that Brenton, you know, he understands business is business. This nigga, he pays on time, but he, for some reason, he's never, like, consistent. And I feel like I'm just taking the nigga money. That's really how I feel. I feel like we just take his money. Yeah. That's the reason why anytime, like yesterday call, yeah. But I ain't gonna lie, I want 100% success rate, so fuck that. I feel like I feel like when Robert didn't pay Thomas, I was like, damn, he dropped out. I was like, damn, I feel like Rob dropped out of school. What up, girlfriend? And T, I didn't use that fucking indicator shit today either. Oh, alright, now you really finna make me grab that ARP. I had a golf on my coworker the other day. I ain't even tell y'all about this shit, Brayden. Man, I hate to say this, but I gotta say it like this, because I got 2 of y'all on the phone right now. But they had this white nigga at work, right? And he think this boy word just a fucking joke. Like, bro. So I told him, look, listen. No bullshit. That shit really, that shit bugs the fuck out of me. Like, that shit bugs the fuck out of me. Like, you could call me a nigger. Like, you call me a fucking boy? I'm ready to peel your fucking head back. I don't know what it is. Like, that word I cannot stand. Like, you call me a fucking boy, I'm ready to fight. Like, no lie. I go 0 to like 1,000 with that boy word real quick. But long story short, right, Braden, I tell this nigga, I say, hey, bro, I said, you had all that time, and you because I picked up a box off the line, and I put it on the floor. He was like, don't do that. I was like, bro, you had all that time. He was like, bro, I've been doing other shit. I was like, Seth, I didn't. He was like, boy, and then he was like, I've been doing other shit. I was like, hold on. I was like, Seth, what I told you about that fucking boy word? Like, boy, fuck you up. I cannot stand that word. And it's not even the word. It's how you use it. Cause boy, regular boy don't piss me off. But if you get over here, boy. Oh yeah, nigga, I'm ready to fuck you up. Oh yeah, no, that would piss me off. Like if she told me that, like, and randomly, that would piss me off. Like, what the fuck you mean, come here, boy? I ain't no damn dog. Nah, T, don't. That's one thing. Do not rage bait me like that, bro. That shit pisses me off, bro. Grace, I'm laying down one night, and she joking around just like April. I, I turned when I tell you I broke my neck. I looked at her. We was laughing. I stopped completely laughing. Don't say that shit again. Do not say that shit again. No, yeah, Thomas. If you want to ever rage bait my ass, bro, that will work. You will get my blood boiling. I was. What's his name? He took $100 on one micro. Yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, bro. I was ready to accept that fucking L. Well, the second one at least, cause I was like, bro, I was ready to, like I tell y'all, bro. When I take my shit, I marry my shit. This mine shaft. I'm mine shaft. I'm a mine shaft for you.
Yeah, what a piece of shit.
You want my black mine shaft?